So it looks like there's some severe thunder. There's a big lightning bolt. The birds are chirping, but it looks like a line of potentially severe storms are getting ready to move into the southwest Ohio area. Definitely see lightning and hear the thunder coming from the north. It's actually quite beautiful out that way. Yeah, it's definitely building. According to the radar app, it shouldn't be right on top of us right about now, but it is. Sure doesn't seem to bother the birds. Sounds like a bowling game up in the heavens.